Search this one real good.
Okay.
Yeah. So this one, I hear him talking on a phone.
I'm not, I was talking to you.
Jamaican Cop in Atlanta. And it's crazy. Sometimes it's hard to understand the Jamaicans, but I felt like here on the Mr. show, I am a Jamaican born here in Canada. So any story like this, I want to see what's going on. It's crazy. The Jamaican Cop out here in Atlanta.
So this one, I hear him talking on a phone.
I'm not, I was talking to you.
Alright, so I'm gonna put you to sit.
Find the phone that you looking
No man, I put you to sit, man. Backside, yeah, I'm to the man. Just sit down, the man, I work with them, I say.
Yeah.
I don't know what you said.
Turn on, man.
Man said, yo, backside work with Rasta, man.
Conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle after observing a passenger with both legs extended through the sunroof while the car was in motion.
So if it's okay in the state of Georgia to have your foot hanging through the sunroof of a vehicle while it is in motion,
What do you want
is that
to do?
okay?
You putting your arms on me. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
Okay, so just so we understand what's happening, vehicle got stopped. Cop saw the girl with her feet hanging out of the sunroof and more than one person traveling in the front seat, more than two persons, I think 3 people. So let's get into it. Traffic stop on the Mr. show. Jamaican Cop in Atlanta, and it's a Jamaican, I'm in the diaspora, I'm gonna cover it. Shout out to all my Africans, Ghana, Kenya, Uganda, of course, Burkina Faso, right? South Africa. Enough respect.
Switch off the vehicle.
Say it again.
Switch off the vehicle.
Man says switch off the vehicle, aka turn off the vehicle.
Alright, step out the vehicle. Put your hands behind the back.
Well, I have to put my hands behind my back for it.
So right now you are detained. Reckless driving. 3 persons in the front of the vehicle while you're driving.
For the what?
3 persons in the front of the vehicle while you're driving. Reckless in the state of Georgia. Alright. You have your driver's license on you?
Jazz, just listen.
Twist your waistband real quick. Make sure you have no weapons on you. Alright. Why are you driving with somebody in the front of the vehicle?
What 3 people was in the front of my car?
Oh yeah man, I saw you when you pull up to the gas station, you know sir. Why are we gonna behave down?
Wait.
Sit man, sit.
I'ma sit.
Sit.
But
Don't tell me anything. Why are we driving with 3 people in the front of the vehicle?
it's just me and my passenger.
You want your
Me and my
passenger?
passenger.
You're telling me you have a female passenger in the front of the vehicle? That's what you're telling me?
It's a male in the passenger seat of the car.
Okay. And I know what I saw. Those 2 legs that I saw up in the air through the sunroof, that person.
The 2 legs I saw up in the ear through the thing. Yo, the Jamaican accent, I gotta love it, yo. Enough respect, my brother, them. The whole of the Jamaica people, them. Big up yourself. It's just this guy being in Atlanta is literally confusing the young kid, yo. The young youth coming like the youth don't understand. Like, listen, watch.
But
I'm not
Don't
gonna
tell me
stop it
anything.
again. Let's go.
Why are we driving with 3 people in the front of the vehicle?
it's just me and my passenger.
You want your
Me and my
passenger?
passenger.
You're telling me you have a female passenger in the front of the vehicle? That's what you're telling me?
It's a male in the passenger seat of the car.
Okay. And I know what I saw. Those 2 legs that I saw up in the air through the sunroof, that person was sitting in the front of the vehicle.
You saw legs outside of the car while I was driving?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We both know what's going on. You pulled up at the Whole Mill gas station, saw me, and turned out to the gas station. Turn around. Let me get your driver's license.
Why that light? Why that light gotta be so bright?
You have anything on you that I need to know about?
I do.
Huh?
I do not.
You say yeah?
I do not.
Do not? Okay. Turn around. Put your foot inside. What? Something you want to say? You, young lady, you are the one who had your foot through the sunroof. You step out the vehicle.
Me?
Yeah, man, you. Of course, you. You are the one who had your foot out through the sunroof of the vehicle. So step out of the vehicle. Yeah, man, straight up.
What shoe? That's what I'm saying. What shoe?
4, I'm good, thank you. So 1 blackmail detained. You step out the vehicle.
Oh boy. Okay. I think it's about to get a little steamy now. Because, I mean, sometimes it is hard to understand what he's saying, right? He's like, no, yo, step out the vehicle. The vehicle, right? The vehicle, the car, right? So, you mean, like, for Americans, and I'm in Canada, but the vehicle, them thing there, those things they won't understand, but let's go.
Step out the vehicle. You want me to pull you out the vehicle? You want to pull you out the vehicle?
It's like, yo, you want me to pull you out? Want me to pull you out the vehicle? I'm going to pull you out the vehicle.
Sunday game, I'm good.
Told the backup he's good.
No, I'm going to keep it on me.
Okay, this girl with her red hair, she a fire starter. She a fireball.
Why? I didn't do nothing wrong.
No, you are fine. You are fine. You are fine.
So it's okay in the state of Georgia to have your foot hanging through the sunroof of a vehicle while it is in motion?
What do you want
Is
to
that
do?
okay?
Hold on, sir. I'm
Excuse
her brother.
me?
I'm her blood brother. Can you please tell me why you asking her to
Get away from here, dude.
Hold on, that's not the point. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me like
listen to me.
Go round.
You do what you need to
Get
do.
back.
I'm the
Don't
police.
you grab my arm. Bro, don't grab my arm like that on G. Don't grab my arm like that.
stop
Get
moving.
arm back up. Do what you need to do. Don't call me. Don't do it. I tried to tell him. Get the off me. Get the off me. Get the fuck off me. Get the fuck off me. Get the fuck off me. Bro, I didn't even do shit.
You might not know that one is
do shit. Get off me. I didn't even do shit. Get off me. Get off. I ain't do shit. Get off me.
Get back.
I have an attorney. I have an attorney. My attorney's finna sue you. Oh my God, my attorney's finna sue you so bad, bro. My attorney's finna sue you so bad, bro. I got an attorney on retainer. Get the fuck off my arms. Get off of my arms, bro.
I got one resisting.
Get off of my arms.
Detained at this point. Just need another unit so I could put in cuffs.
She said it straight. She has an attorney on retainer. Yo.
I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing. I will show you why you shouldn't have signed up for this job tonight. I will show you why you shouldn't have signed up for this job tonight. I will show you why you shouldn't have signed up for this job tonight.
I'm doing it, radio. Resisting.
Get the f off me. Get the f off me. I ain't do shit wrong. Get the f off me. Give me a reason. Give me a reason. Give me a reason.
Hey, you back away. No. Step away from the police car.
Sorry. Get the f off me. Get the f. He's wrong as f.
Hey.
You know you wrong as f. You know you wrong. Record me. No. You know you wrong as f. Back up.
Step away, all right?
Nah. He's good. He's good. He's good. He's good. You know you wrong as f. You know you wrong as f. Back the f up. You know you. No. Babe, back up for me. Babe, I know the law. I went to college. I took business law. This nigga wrong as f. You ain't got me for nothing. You ain't got me. Get the f off me, bitch. You ain't got me for nothing. Break my nails if you want to. I'll break your motherfucking face right now. I'll break your motherfucking face right now.
I'm begging you.
Yeah, do what you need to do. Do what you need to do. Do what you need to do. Cause you know you wrong as fuck. You know you lost your job today.
Step over there. You step over there.
You know you lost your job today. You know you lost your job today. You know you lost your job today. You know you lost your job today.
Don't let me chase you.
You did. Cause you
Don't let me chase you.
I didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't do nothing wrong. Babe, stop calling my name. Stop calling. Don't touch my name. Don't touch my motherfucker. Don't touch my motherfucker. Don't touch my motherfucker. Don't touch my motherfucker.
You can't do it. You can't do it. Dad, 1, 2, 3. You said you gotta be still. You gotta be still. I know.
Stop talking.
I understand.
Stop talking. Stop talking to me.
I understand.
Stop talking to me.
Dad, you have to be quiet. That shit not making no sense.
And you know you want to speak.
Hey, stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
I'm good. I've never been resisting this whole time. I've never
Stop
been
resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
He's pulling my hand. He's pulling my hand.
Stop resisting.
He's pulling my hand. He's pulling my hand.
Turn around.
I'm good. He's pulling my hand. He's pulling my hand.
Put on your vehicle. I got one in my car already.
I have my attorney
put
on
down
retainer.
Please,
It's okay. I have my attorney on retainer.
A little grave. I haven't
Okay, I have my attorney on retainer. I have
I
my
would take
attorney
every
on
test
retainer.
I got, dog. I would take it
I was not a
home.
danger. I was never hurting him.
Before you can slow down the units,
Mom, he's
I
coming
got a
back for you.
female detained, male detained. Right in the driver's seat of the vehicle. What are you doing in the driver's seat of the
know
vehicle?
why? Because
Get out
I
of the
stepped
driver's
out to
seat.
try to talk to her.
Get out of the driver's seat.
Okay.
Get out of the
Where do you
driver's
want me to
seat.
go? Where do you want me to go?
Go back where you were before. Get out of the driver's seat of the vehicle.
You're gonna kill me
Are
right
you the driver? Are you the
No,
driver?
you know that I'm
Get out
not.
of the driver's seat.
Okay. Okay, you know that I'm not. I came because that's my,
So where go to
that's my
driver's
blood
seat?
sister.
Step
Because
over
I
there,
came
man. You go over
out.
there. You go over there. Basically, I'm charged with obstruction, reckless conduct. Yeah, maybe not reckless conduct, but obstruction. Alright. So basically, sitting at our mill.
So he's gonna explain it now to the boss. So take a look at this man. Look like a Jamaican police, yes. Yeah. Yeah. All right, let's keep going.
This car pull up,
Remember to like and subscribe, people.
see a female 2 foot hanging through the roof of the vehicle. So they saw me at our mill.
In the sunroof?
Saw me at our mill. They turned out at our mill. While they were turning out, I realized there are 3 people in the front of the vehicle.
The what?
3 people in the front of the vehicle.
In the front? Okay.
So I pull over, came down, pull over driver, have him detained, told her to step out of the vehicle, talking to ask her.
Which one? This one or this
No
one?
man, this one. Ask her if that's the conduct of somebody hanging foot through the roof. If that's okay, she started resisting. This is basically what we got.
Oh, what's with the dude in the back
Yeah
seat?
man, I'm charging reckless. He was the driver of the vehicle.
Okay, so who is she?
She was the passenger.
Oh, she's just a passenger?
She's
What's this guy? Is he the driver?
he's just somebody else.
So he was just a passenger
So
too?
this is the driver.
Can somebody talk to the person?
So I'm gonna give him reckless. Because he was the one driving and tried to foot through the roof. 3 people in front of the vehicle. She am in charge of the obstruction.
Okay. Do what you gotta do. Alright, so what's up? You said you want to talk to somebody.
No, I just want to, because I already know the situation that has transpired.
Yo, this girl, the whole show has been on the brink of going to jail. She is so out of it. Look at her and listen to her.
You break my window, it's another charge, felony charge.
Stop!
Yeah,
Fucking noise. Play with me.
if you break that window, felony. Hey, if she breaks my window, she's gonna go to Fulton County with a fucking felony.
The officer, the female officer. Can you ask her to come here really quick, please?
What's going on, man?
Please.
What you need her for?
Look, I get it. One is my sister's acting wild as Can I please just
No,
ask her
stay
to-
right there.
Aaron, don't say anything.
promise, I'm not moving. I promise. I'm not moving.
I feel like I have an thing with her where she's my younger sister and you're an enemy. I can tell her to stop. Can I please just
No, we not. You don't need to talk to her. She's fine. We got everything with you.
This officer is not gonna charge you.
Officer,
Yeah.
what are y'all going to do with her tonight?
Oh, she's going to jail.
She's going to jail.
She's going to
tonight.
jail. She's in handcuffs. She's going to jail for obstruction.
She's going to jail
And
tonight.
you're not, and he's not. All right?
No.
But she breaks that window, she's going to get a felony.
She's
She
already.
So,
She better chill.
just telling you right now.
That girl there better chill. Keep watching, and see what happened with her.
Yeah, no.
So
I'm not even trying to-
if you keep calm and he keeps calm,
I'm calm.
this officer is not going to charge you guys with anything. This one right here is going to jail.
We're calm.
This one's going to jail.
That's
So-
that already.
Yep.
I just want to know what the proceedings are so we can just get it all resolved. Is she going in tonight or can we put her in our car?
No, she's staying with us.
Stuff up on my shoes. So I'm gonna search this one real good. So this one, I hear him talking on a phone.
I'm not. I was talking to you.
Alright, so I'm gonna put you to sit.
Find the phone that you looking.
No man, I put you to sit, man. Backside, yeah. I want to the man. Just sit down, the man. I work with them, I say.
I don't know what you say.
Turn on, man.
Is it English?
Turn round.
Turn left, right, back.
Put your foot in that vehicle. Put your foot in the vehicle.
That's hard. That's sweet, man. That's a backside, yo. Turn around and sit. Put your foot in that vehicle. You know, I guess as a Jamaican people, they don't understand that it is kind of hard for Canadians or Americans or even people from England sometimes to understand the dialect. I find that English, meaning the England, is closer to the Jamaican dialect. That's just my opinion still, but all right, let's continue. Policeman get bringer, irritated, upset.
I don't know what you say.
Turn on, man.
Is it English?
Turn round.
Turn left, right, back.
Put your foot in that vehicle. Put your foot in the vehicle.
Whatever you trying to tell me.
Damn it, man. Well, I couldn't understand English.
Come on. I don't know.
I couldn't understand English, man. I want you, man.
Why is he going to jail?
He was driving the car.
Can I drive us home? I'm cool. Can
Wait until he gets done.
Alright.
You got slurred speech. You're not driving anything.
Look at her. She's definitely driving. Yeah.
Hey, where you going? Where you going? Where you going?
No. Just sit
Stay
down.
here.
Please just
Step back over there. Step back over there.
Please just
Step back over there.
Just sit down and relax. Just relax so we can get this all straightened out. Just relax and sit down.
How much y'all had to drink?
So in this situation, could he have somebody come pick up the car?
If he had someone sober that could actually get here before our tow truck, then yes, move ahead.
So that cop, there was a rookie cop. You can tell by the way she was asking questions, and later on they tell her to do certain things. And right now they're checking out this guy to see if he's sober enough to take the car. Let's go.
I can feel myself with my head. I'm sorry.
Yeah, we're not going to let you drive that car, man.
I don't want you to touch me. I will walk out by myself. Do not put your arms on me at all.
Stand out. Get out of here.
Because you are aggressive. Back up. I can't know if you can back up. You putting your arms on me. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
are out of your
No, I'm not. I'm not, bro.
Put your
I'm
arms
not.
down. Put your
I'm
arms down.
okay. I am okay. Look at me. I'm okay. I'm okay. What? I'm okay.
You know. Just stop. Just okay. I'm listening. Okay.
What's her name? What's her name?
Her name is Jasmine. We've been yelling it multiple times. You've heard it.
What's her last name?
Jazz, please stop. Hold on. No. Please. Go right there. Go right there and please talk to her. Please talk to her. Go right there.
It's different in Atlanta, eh? Or the brother sound so and look so. What that? I'll tap in my ear. Okay, anyways, let me not go there. But this guy seems to be her brother, and it seems like this girl, Jazz or whatever, it's like she needs meds, bro. Check the flex. Watch and see.
Yeah.
Go right there. No.
If you can quiet her, you can go. You just don't interrupt the officer. But if you can quiet her, go. Go and quiet her.
Look,
Can you quiet her?
I don't trust you.
Bitch, we can't. You want to be in cuffs? You want to be in cuffs next? Then you sit down. I'm tired of talking about this. Go sit down. Go sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
I'm looking at you.
If I gotta talk to you again about this, you will be in cuffs. You understand? If I have to talk to you about this again, you will be in cuffs.
Yeah, I got my arms out. Bitch, you ain't even know that. I'll pop you on your motherfucking shit, boy ass, clan ass nigga. You thought my shit, but my shit was out this whole time. I could have popped all of y'all in your
Yo, it's like the girl. For real. She needs her meds. She needs a meds, bro. Real talk. Let's go. Rewind a bit.
Sit down. Sit down.
I'm looking at you.
If I gotta talk to you again about this, you will be in cuffs. You understand? If I have to talk to you about this again, you will be in cuffs.
Yeah, I got my arms out. Bitch, you ain't even know that. I'll pop you on your motherfucking shit, boy ass, clan ass nigga. You thought my shit, but my shit was out this whole time. I could have popped all of y'all in your motherfucking faces.
So you want a felony charge, huh?
I'm looking at you, okay?
My big calm. When I got out the car, he was being aggressive.
Okay, look.
This skinhead ass.
Okay.
You
Look, I need you. No, stop. Please. Okay, please.
Thank you.
Stop.
Thank you.
Please stop. Please stop. You know, I'm your brother, okay? I've had you all these years. Please stop. Just please stop, okay? Please stop. I got you. So, okay. I know. Okay, please just stop. Please, okay? Please, okay? Please. Jasmine, I can't go against them, okay? Please just stop. I will come and get you, okay? Okay, stop. Look at me and stop. I'm talking to you. Stop doing it.
My Lord,
Stop. Shut up. Whatever we do after this, stop. We will do it, okay? Stop crying. I got you, okay?
No, run the cameras back.
Come on.
Bro, I have an attorney.
No, that's not an option. One in the
What are y'all doing?
Jasmine, stop. Okay, just stop and just go. We will get stop. Okay. I'm not even trying to do that with you. And I was talking over here. Now. Over here.
Oh, Jesus. This is the reason why she's going to jail. Ooh. That's assault.
I'm finna sue y'all so bad, bro. I'm finna sue y'all so bad, bro. I'm finna sue y'all so bad. Put my shit in the car.
Yo, if making things worse was a person, look at this chick.
Kick it.
Oh. The next guy is sitting down. He's the driver. He's the one getting the charge. And he's sitting down cool as cucumber. That's what I said. Cool like a cucumber. And look at her clowning. About to catch more charges. Calling the rooster them.
She had one, but now she's going to Fulton County. We're taking an officer.
Ah, boy, she just upgraded her charges.
You sound like a pussy one. And I better you shut the fuck up, man. What
do you want?
Step out the car. I know you're going to tow it, but can I get the key to the car?
You cannot have the keys to the car.
Can I get my purse?
You guys can get your property out of the car. That's not a problem.
You're taking the key with you.
Yeah, because it's got to.
I gave you your phone.
It's got to go with the tow truck.
Okay.
That's all.
Can I get my purse?
You can get whatever.
I have no idea where my purchase card is.
It's in Danny's car.
It's going to be in that car right over there.
It's in Danny's car.
Help her get her purse, please.
See how fast?
Johnny, now. Take her shit.
Y'all recording, bitch! Recording because y'all unnecessarily arresting me! You skinhead ass, racist ass motherfucker!
Yo. Meds. Meds. Do not leave home without your meds sometimes, sis. Real talk.
Racist as shit!
Jasmine!
You racist as shit! No, this motherfucker racist as shit! This racist ass motherfucker!
Stop!
Yeah, run it up, bitch!
Stop!
Run it up, bitch!
Stop!
Kick
Run
it.
it up, bitch!
Jasmine, stop!
Kick it.
Man, it's like this guy must have been taking care of her in that psycho attitude she has all her life.
Kick it.
Yeah, you can get your stuff. Go get your stuff.
The operator of the vehicle was charged with reckless endangerment and transported to the Atlanta City Jail. The woman was transported to the hospital for evaluation due to her continued resistance during the arrest, where she remained combative. After being medically cleared, she was released back into police custody and transported to the Fulton County Jail, where she was formally booked on felony obstruction and 2 counts of simple battery against an officer. What do you think? Did the officer handle the situation appropriately, or do you think things could have been de-escalated differently? Let us know. Atlanta police conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle after observing a passenger.
All right, that's cool. Thanks for logging in. Remember to like and subscribe, peeps. Bless.